Good morning. Noble, we're going to do letter sounds today. Are you ready? Ready? Okay, can you show me the letter that says P, P? Which letter says P, P? Yeah, what is that?
P.
P. All right, give it to me. Thank you. Can you show me the letter that says K, K? What is it? What is it?
K.
K. Very good. Can I have that K? Thank you. Can you show me the letter that says J, J? Which letter says J? Look at your letters. J. Oh, yeah. What is that?
G.
Say J.
J.
J says J. Thank you. Now, which one of your letters left says B, B? Which letter says B? Show me. What is that?
B.
B. B says B, B. Very good. And what do you have left?
S.
H. And what does H say? Very good. Excellent. Can I have that? Thank you. Here's a few more. Let's line them up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right. This time we're going to look for the letter that says R. R. Which letter says R? Which letter says R? Can you find it? Which one says R? Show me. Quick. 1, 2, 3. Show me the letter that says R. That doesn't say R. Which one says R? Are you going to find it? Look at your letters. Which one says R? Oh my goodness, what is that? R. And R says? R. Very good. Do you have a letter that says Z? Oh, what is it?
G.
Z. Thank you. I'll take that. Do you have a letter that says M? M. What is that?
M.
M. Thank you, letter M. Do you have a letter that says V? V. V. What is that? Not a vacuum. A V.
V.
V. V says V. Very good. And what do you have left?
G.
G. And what does G say? It makes two sounds. It says G and J. G and J. Thank you, Mr. G. All right, here's a few more. These are your last letters. Are you ready? Say ready.
Right.
All right, here we go. We need one letter that says O. Do you have a letter that says O? It's the first letter in your sister's name. Which letter do you have that says O? Don't knock them off. Give me that O sound. Quick. 1, 2, 3. Which one says O? What is that? Yeah, low. L. Can I have that L? Thank you, letter L. How about a letter that says what is that? What is that? Tell me what letter you have. Not baby talk. What is it? Oh, thanks. But it does say F. It's the letter F. Don't throw it, please. All right, you just have a few more left. What about the letter that says Qua? Qua. Qua. Who says Qua? Who says Qua? Can you show me? Qua, 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 qua.
It's on my hand.
All right. Noble. Can you give me the letter that says qua? Please. Ah, who's that? Can you tell me that letter's name? Okay, you're not doing that anymore. That is the right answer, though. How about S? Who says S? There's two that say S. All right, we're almost done. Can you cooperate just a few more minutes? Which letter says S? Give me the one letter that says S. Come on, buddy. We're almost done. And you'll be done with all your letters today. Okay, how about the one that says T, T? T, T. Yeah, who is that? Noble. Which letter do you have in your hand? Yeah, it's the T and it says T. What do you have left? What is it? What is it?
C.
C. And C says, thank you. And what do you have left? What? What sound does it make? Yeah, like a snake. What sound does it make? Can you tell me what sound that snake makes? That's right. Good job, boy. Who's so smart? Yeah, who's so smart? Noble and London. Very good. Thank you.